What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to restore your faded and discolored trim. Plus I'm also going to show you how to restore your tires and give a deep black look. Now we're wrapping up this detail on this crisp white Range Rover, but the Range Rover has some faded and discolored trim. Just check out all the trim at the bottom of this vehicle. If you got like a Bronco or a Jeep, it's going to have this lower trim panel at the bottom, and this one is faded and discolored from the sun, but it's also stained because the owner has been taking it to car washes and using heavy cleaners on it, so it has drip stains on the side of that. Now we're going to show you how to easily fix this problem with our Masterson Spray Shine Tire and Trim Protectant. Now when I'm wrapping up any detail, I never want to leave the trim looking like this. I want to leave the trim looking crisp, new, and have a deep black look. Same for the tires. I always want to have the tires looking good. So we're going to use our Spray Shine Tire and Trim Protectant. This is a sprayable trim restore and protectant. It's going to restore the trim to a deep black look, leave it dry to the touch, and it's going to give UV solar protection on the trim to slow down and stop the fading. Now if you want to pick this up, head over to our website, mastersonswax.com. The only other products I'm going to use on this is going to be an applicator pad, and I'm also going to use a black microfiber towel. Now let's go in low and let's show you guys how to restore this trim. Now down here on this trim, we've cleaned it. We've already done everything we can to make it look good, but it needs some restoration. So let's go ahead and turn on our sprayer. And I'm going to grab my towel right here, and I'm going to take my Tire and Trim Shine and I'm going to spray it right here. Now the Spray Shine Tire and Trim Shine, great product to use. Let's take it on the applicator pad and then let's just spread it on. And already, I'm going to do one side and then we'll move over to the other. But look how easy this spreads on the trim. So easy product to spread. Let's just spread it out all over the trim. And just look at the difference already, guys. That's a big difference. We're gonna let it dry for a few minutes right here and let it soak into the plastic. And what you wanna do is you wanna let this product soak into the plastic for about 2-3 minutes if possible. It's gonna give the best look for your vehicle. So I'm gonna let this soak in for a minute and then I'm gonna do the other side. Let's do this side as well. So it's been a few minutes and you notice this trim has actually started to absorb the product and it's now restored. So I'm gonna take my microfiber towel and I'm just gonna give a quick wipe. And already look at the difference on this trim. There's some area that I missed right there. Let's just go over it really quickly. So easy to use, and this is giving an original look back to the trim. It's not a greasy look. This isn't a tire shine. This is a genuine trim restorer. And look at it, it's already on there. And this is the cool part about this, guys. I'm gonna take my hand. Look at that. It's dry to the touch. That's incredible. So let's go to the other side right here. Let's buff this side off as well. And look how easy it restores. And this is gonna work on plastic, rubber, vinyl. It's also gonna work on the inside of the car and the outside of the car, but really, that's a huge difference, and it feels so smooth. This is dry to the touch, no greasy feel. And it works on tires too, so let's show you guys how to use the tires. Let's go over to this tire, guys. And this tire we cleaned with our super cleaner first. So I'm going to take my Tire Trim Shine, the sprayable version. Let's go ahead and put it right on here, and then let's go ahead and just spread it out. So come in close, guys, check this out. Look at that. Just look how easy this spreads on the tire. I love the sprayable version of this because it literally just soaks into all these little ridges. It gives a nice crisp look. And just look at, let's do half the tire so you guys can see a big difference. And if you can, guys, I like to just apply this generously so it soaks into the tire. And then we're just gonna remove it. Now this is a true coating. So what this is doing is this is an auto leveling coating that's gonna give a great look to the tire. And I like to go in these little ridges like this. There we go. Okay, and we're gonna let that soak in for a few minutes, guys, but come over here to the front with me. We're gonna do the whole front so we can show you guys an after effect as well. So let's go to the front. I'm gonna spray it on my applicator pad, and let's just show you how fast it applies to the tire in a regular way. This is about how fast I'd be applying it if I was washing my own vehicle. And I like the Spray Shine Tire and Trim Protectant because how easy it spreads on the tire. And I like to go up and down as well, as side to side. There we go. Now, after we put it on the tire, all you gotta do is take a microfiber towel and you just wanna give one wipe. And this is just to make sure that you didn't put too much on, you're taking off any excess. And there we go, man. Look at that nice, crisp black tire. I love it, and I love that the spray shine just gets on that lip good. And the cool thing about this is dry to the touch. So let's go to the other side. Let's take a look at that tire again. Wow, big difference on that. Let's go ahead and wipe. There you go, guys. Big difference, guys. Just look at the before. Come in close, guys. Look at the before, how just chalky and dirty this looks. And then over here, black and also dry to the touch. That's the number one thing about the spray shine, tire and trim shine, is that it's dry to the touch and it works on the interior and the exterior. So you're gonna get your trim done just like this. You're gonna get your tires done just like this. And you can detail the whole vehicle quickly and easily, guys. Now, if you want to pick up the spray shine, tire and trim shine, head over to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get tire shines, product restorers. You can also get trim restorers and applicator pads, everything to get your car detailed from start to finish. Now, I'm Greg from Mastersons. We'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.